Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to H1FY26 results conference call of Utssav-CZ-Gold-Jewels Limited. As a reminder, all participants' lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during this conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then 0 on your touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Harshil. Thank you, and over to you.
Thank you. On behalf of Kiran Advisors, I welcome you all to the conference call of Utssav-CZ-Gold-Jewels Limited. From the management team, we have Mr. Pankaj Jagawat, Managing Director, Mr. Harpreet Gulleria, Chief Executive Officer. Now I hand over the call to Mr. Pankaj Jagawat. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I am pleased to share an update on our performance, key business development, and growth outlook. At Utssav-CZ-Gold-Jewels Limited, headquartered in Mumbai, we are proud to be among India's leading manufacturers of gold CZ and diamond jewelry, established in 2007. We have built a reputation on excellence in design, precision in manufacturing, and reliability in service. We design, manufacture, and wholesale an extensive range of 18, 20, and 22 carat CZ gold jewels and rose gold jewelry, including rings, earrings, pendant, bracelet, necklace, and watches. All over the years, we have evolved into a trusted B2B partner for leading jewelry retailers across 23 states and 2 union territories, with a growing export presence in the UAE. Our fully integrated manufacturing setup covers the entire value chain from CAD design to hallmarking and consistency and quality at every stage, backed by a team of over 50 skilled professionals and a designer library of more than 70 creations. We continue to deliver innovation with speed of accuracy. Our installed capacity has grown from 750 kg in FY22 to 1.5 to 1.6 tons in FY25. Since our listing on NSE emerged in August 2020, strong momentum through design-led growth, operational efficiency, and disciplined execution. The momentum built in FY25 has carried forward strongly into the current fiscal, after almost doubling our revenue from 340 crores in FY24 to 648 crores in FY25. We have achieved another milestone of revenue growth in the first half of FY26, supported by strong volume growth. So, for the half year ended September 30th, 2025, we reported total income of 477 crore, a growth of 67% year-on-year. Our EBITDA increased by 184% to 45 crores, with margin improving by 388 basis points to 9.45%. Profit after tax rose 197% to 29 crores, with margin improving by 271 basis points to 6.17%. While EPS grew 124% to rupees 12.09 per share. This result reflects a continued focus on profitability growth, though improved product mix, stronger operating leverage, and tight cost control. With trajectory, we are confident of closing this year in the range of 1100 crores to 1200 crores, making yet another year of strong growth and scale. The performance underscores the strength of our customers' relationship to success of our diversification strategy and our ability to execute consistently even in a competitive environment. During the first half, we continued to enhance our manufacturing efficiency and design capabilities while expanding our product portfolio, our strategic diversification into plain gold casting, natural diamond, and lab-grown diamond jewelry has further strengthened our value proposition. The early response from our client to our diamond jewelry range has been extremely encouraging and reinforces our confidence in the segment. Looking ahead, we aim to sustain the revenue growth momentum, upgrading our technology and R&D infrastructure, and deepening our engagement with leading retailers across Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. On the global front, we are targeting to expand into UAE, GCC, Singapore, and USA. With a strong financial foundation and expanding product portfolio and a clear roadmap for scalability, we remain confident of sustaining this growth journey and delivering a long-term value for all our stakeholders. Thank you, and with that, I would now like to open the floor for questions.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Agastya Dave from CAO Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you very much, sir. And thank you very much for conducting the phone call. Pankaj ji, एक तो थोड़ी सी शिकायत थी आपसे. We have been listed for 1 year and we didn't do even a single call. So while I appreciate that you have done this, I also have a small complaint that the previous year did not see any calls. So please, sir, this is a very good initiative. Please continue it. And if possible, sir, do quarterly results. 6 months is too large a gap for us to track the company. There are so many things which are happening in the company and it becomes very difficult. I got only one opportunity, that was during the AGM, and उसमें भी मुझे opportunity नहीं मिली बात करने की. So it's a small request, sir. Kindly take it into consideration. But I really appreciate that you are doing the call this time. And congratulations on excellent performance, sir. I have 2 questions. One is on the margins. We have seen a very large jump in the margins at the gross profit level and also at the EBITDA level. So can you go into certain details as to what led to such large jumps? Is there an element of inventory gain here? But my guess is that would be passed on to your customer. So what exactly has led to margins improving so much? And the second question is on the capex that you are doing and the expansion to 2.5 tons. So what was the capacity utilization in the first half, and what is the progress on the capex? By when do you expect 2.5 ton capacity to get commissioned, and when will we see commercial revenues from that new expansion? And so finally, if you can also share the volume numbers for the first half, how much have we done? That would also answer a lot of underlying questions.
So 67% was our usable capacity. And our margin has partially increased by 0.5% to 1% by gold price, and otherwise we maintain a business margin from 4.5 to 5%. And we have started
at which level, sir? This is when you are saying 4.5 to 5%, you are talking about the PAT level, or you are saying EBITDA level?
PAT level.
So is this sustainable, sir? So if I look at the EBITDA, sir, EBITDA this first half was 9.3%. You're saying 0.5% is coming from gold. So if I remove that, so do you expect this let's say 8.8%, 9% kind of EBITDA levels to continue going forward?
Yeah, see, 1% is at gold level and PAT level, I mean to say. And yeah, and now we've started real diamond jewelry also. So yeah, we hope our business's profit is going to increase by 4.5 to 5%. It can go above that also.
सर ये EBITDA लेवल पे बताएंगे सर, वो थोड़ा सा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है देखने का, तो उससे समझ में बेटर आएगा. What is our like target? हमारा बेंचमार्क क्या है सर with the current portfolio कि हम कितना EBITDA कर सकते हैं on a sustained basis, and then gold ये diamond के साथ इसमें क्या additions हों?
1 second.
जी.
So 9 to 10% should be EBITDA sustainable.
Okay, excellent, sir. Okay, so इसका reason क्या है, sir, this jump that we have seen? Because 6.5% था and it has become 9.3. You're saying 1% is gold, so it becomes 8.3. So maybe there is a 200 basis point improvement in EBITDA. So what exactly led to this?
So we earn as a percentage on gold jewelry. We don't sell at a fixed level. जैसे gold price का price बढ़ते जाता है, उसके ऊपर भी charge percentage on it.
Okay, so this used to be 6.5% in like till last year, and it has become 8.3%. So
we started designers jewelry also, and we started watches and all also. So their margins are very high.
Excellent, sir. And my other question is on the capex, sir. वो 2.5 तक का expansion कब तक आ जाएगा, sir? And when will we see our commercial sales from the expanded capacity?
Maybe 1 year.
Another year, sir.
No, I didn't get your question.
आप सर expand कर रहे हैं 1.5 से 2.5?
Oh, yeah. So that is in a month's time.
In a month's time. So, sir, उसका commercial operations within a month start हो जाएगा. So we'll see it in H2 then.
Yeah.
Second half में भी उसके numbers आने लगेंगे.
हाँ
And
जी,
then
हाँ
full
जी.
year for next year.
Yes.
और सर ये रैंप अप कितना स्पीड से होगा सर नेक्स्ट ईयर? क्या हम लोग इसको रीजनेबली हाई कैपेसिटी पे देख सकते हैं इस नई कैपेसिटी को भी?
Yes.
ओके, एक्सीलेंट सर. पंकज जी, अगेन सर आई विल रिपीट माय रिक्वेस्ट सर, अगर क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स हो सके तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा सर.
Yeah, we are planning for quarterly result after this.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. एंड सर प्लीज कंटिन्यू टू डू कॉल सर.
Sure.
आपसे इंटरेक्शंस बेटर हो जाएंगे सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. आई विल गो बैक इन द क्यू. आई मे हैव अ फ्यू अदर क्वेश्चंस, बट थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Kushal from Invid Research. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm actually new to your company, sir. तो आप थोड़ा सा background देंगे. How much is the mix of our total, in our total sales, how much is B2B, how much is B2C? I assume mostly it is B2B. Second, अपने customers कौन से हैं? Who are the end customers and उसका channel का mix बता सकते हैं?
So yeah, our customer means we are completely into B2B. We don't do B2C at all. And our clients are like Kalyan Jewelers, Lalita Jewelry, and lot of customers in South, North, and all the places. Yeah.
तो सर आपकी जो कैपेसिटी बढ़ा रहे हैं, ये आपके क्लाइंट्स आपको कॉन्फिडेंस दे रहे हैं कि दे विल इनटेक मोर इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉलेट शेयर? आर यू गेनिंग वॉलेट शेयर फॉर दीज क्लाइंट्स?
Yeah, the demand was much because we have improved on 25% of our sales also in terms of kgs. This 6 months mein, like earlier, whatever the in kgs it was 25%, it has gone up, and expansion is what means extra capacity. Yeah, we've increased because the demand is very good in our jewelry.
And sir, do we do lightweight jewelry or even the main जो heavyweight jewelry होती है? Can you?
We are more into lightweight jewelry and all, yeah. And वहाँ पे margins are very good.
Okay. Sir, जो other peers हैं जैसे Sky Gold and all, तो they are at a much lower EBITDA margin level. So why is that we have such a high margin versus them?
Basically, they do normal jewelry, we do but designer jewelry.
Understood. Sir, my last question is, how do we look at your company, let's say 3 years, 5 years down the lane? What is your aspiration? I mean, in terms of, growth or in terms of, total sales of the company? Where can we look?
So
maybe
FY 2030, we look around 4,000 to 5,000 crores.
Okay, with same margins?
Yeah, with same margin. Or maybe a better margin if, because we recently started real diamonds. जैसे जैसे उसका sale बढ़ते जाएगा and percentage starts growing in our company, so margin might improve.
सर एक लास्ट चीज मैं ये पूछ रहा था, अपने डेटर डेज थोड़े से ज्यादा है वर्सेस सम ऑफ द अदर पीयर्स. So any reason? I mean, some other peers report like 30-40 days. We currently have 60 days. So is that a strategic reason, and maybe that also contributes to our margins also?
70 days customers.
Yeah, margins are higher, so we give that but leverage to our customers.
Okay, ठीक है सर, thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Keshav from Concall Capital Advisors. Please go ahead.
Firstly, congratulations, Pankaj ji, for blockbuster set of numbers. Right, so the kind of aggressive path we are looking for growth. So, what kind of working capital requirements do we have, and how are we gonna fulfill that? Are you looking for any fundraise, anything in future?
See, as and when we require, we'll keep increasing our requirements. They will take money from the banks and all.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Divya Daga from VJSPL. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Congratulations, sir, for such a great numbers. I have 2 questions. First question is, can you provide the breakup of inventory based on gold, non-gold jewelries? And my second question is, can you provide the amount of revenue we got from non-gold jewelry segment?
Basically, we have complete gold jewelry only.
What about the diamond?
Diamond, yeah, we recently started, so like around 2% from the complete stock is real diamond stock.
Are we outsourcing it from someone else? Did we have done tie-ups or something like that for it?
Diamond we outsource it, but jewelry we make it in-house.
Okay, so for that we have done some tie-up or collaboration with some brand for diamond?
No, we have not done any collaboration with brand, but we've seen a demand like when we given jewelry to Lalita Jewelry, Kalyan here. So, yeah.
Okay. So just one more question. As I can see we have unsecured loan of 6.2 crores in our balance sheet. Right?
1 second, huh?
Unsecured.
No, there is no unsecured loan.
Okay. Then that's all. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Prabal from SM Holding. Please go ahead.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Sir, I just wanted to understand, like, your first is how you procure your gold. Like, do you procure it via loan, GML or something? And once you have procured your gold, so now that it's in your inventory, so is your inventory hedged or not? If you hedged, how much is hedged, and what kind of hedging do you do?
See, we procure a gold either from the bank or from the bullion merchant. And hedging, we do a natural hedging. Whatever jewelry we sell, we buy it on the same day. Means, जैसे मेरा rate customer के साथ कटा, example, Joalukas has purchased the jewelry from me. For example, I would say at 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams. So immediately we buy from the bullion or bank. We hedge it over there. Means immediately we buy it. So it's a natural hedging.
So sir, मतलब हाँ, तो मतलब on a net basis आप 100% hedge हो.
On net basis, yeah. Transactions पे.
तो सर फिर सॉरी कहाँ ट्रांजेक्शन पे मतलब तो आपके पास आपको एसेंशियली आपके बिजनेस पे गोल्ड
मैंने अगर आज 5 किलो सोना बेचा तो उतना वही प्राइस में वी परचेज 5 kg गोल्ड.
करेक्ट. तो how are the margins when getting affected like due to gold price like
largely percentage wise margins are intact.
हाँ वही मतलब तो सर मतलब वो कैसे हो रहा है क्योंकि अगर नेट जैसे तो यू कैन एक्सप्लेन मी व्हाट हैपेंस
जो हमारा अंदर जो सी वी डोंट हेज आवर स्टॉक व्हिच इज लाइंग विद अस. जितना बेचते वो उतना ही खरीदते, वही स्टॉक ऑटोमेशन पे हेज हो जाता है. मीन्स मैंने अगर एग्जांपल आपको आज समझो लाख रुपए के भाव में बेचा, उतना खरीद लेते. जो मेरा अंदर स्टॉक पड़ा हुआ है
तो आप अंदर वाला आप हेज नहीं कर रहे हो. तो बेसिकली इफ आई अंडरस्टैंड इट राइट, अगर आपके पास अभी 100 किलो सोना पड़ा हुआ है तो वो अनहेज्ड है, वो पड़ा हुआ है वट एवर कॉस्ट यू बॉट. बट अब अगर आप 10 किलो कल नया खरीदते हो तो आप हाथों हाथ उसको बेच दोगे तो वो नेट वो उसका
बराबर या प्रॉपर्ली.
ओके. तो सर अभी जैसे आपको खैर काफी एक्सपीरियंस है इस इंडस्ट्री में सर. अब गोल्ड का भाव आपको काफी बढ़ गया था तो अभी X2 में आपने ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स में आपका गाइडेंस दिया 1100-1200 करोड़ रेवेन्यू का. तो बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस लाइक हाउ डू यू सी X2 मार्जिन्स लाइक कि गोल्ड का भाव शायद थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट होना चाहिए अभी यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड पे जाना चाहिए. हाउ डू यू सी योर X2 नंबर्स एंड मार्जिन्स लाइक?
Margin would stay intact only. Margin would not go down.
अच्छा, ओके. और सर फिर एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन है. आपकी एनुअल रिपोर्ट में आपने एनडीए सेक्शन में थोड़ा आपकी एक्सपोर्ट स्ट्रेटेजी और ये सब थोड़ा एक्सपेंशन के बारे में बोला था. इफ यू कैन थ्रो सम मोर लाइट, आप कोई बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्लाइंट से बात कर रहे हो, कुछ क्लाइंट कन्वर्जन में हो, क्योंकि आपके गाइडेंस और आपका केपेक्स काफी ज्यादा है. and I'm sure your confidence must be coming from your sales team and your client partnerships. So can you throw some more light on that?
So we are now participating in international exhibitions in Dubai, which is going to be held in November. So yeah, we are going international level also by exhibiting over there. And we have a plan to open an office in Dubai.
Okay, perfect, sir. And the final question, do you have any more fundraise plans? क्योंकि अब आप expansion करेंगे, working capital चाहिए, sales team को है बढ़ाना.
तो जैसे requirement होगा वैसे we will be taking it from the bank.
So you will be taking it from the bank, so no equity dilution on the cards.
No, not at present.
Not at present. Okay,
No.
fine, sir. I'll get back in.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question comes from the line of Vishal from Nishikama. Please go ahead.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Sir, first thing I want to ask, हमारा जो कस्टमर के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रहता है, is it like a fix in terms of margin कि हम लोग इतने ही प्राइस पे इतना % मार्जिन लेके करेंगे या how does that work?
The margins are fixed when it's fixed only with the customer. That doesn't go up and down on everyday basis. Yeah. जो भी percentage we charge.
Gold price से okay. So gold price से कितना भी changes हो, it will stay in range of 8 to 9%.
Whatever percentage we've charged, it's going to be there. Yeah.
Okay. And do we have any contract with any of the large customers कि for year पूरे year के basis पे कि हम लोग इतना supply करते रहेंगे उनको इस price पे?
B2B, doesn't run on a. They are fixed clients, and we have a factory essentially.
Okay. तो order book जैसी चीजें कुछ नहीं होंगी, right?
नहीं, order book जैसा कुछ नहीं.
Okay. और सर secondly on employee expense, अभी H1 में हमारा employee expense is only 1.5 crore, I guess. So do you see this going up?
Employee
expense.
Employee expenses, you are asking me, right?
Yes.
So it would be marginally little bit high.
Okay. But जितना हमारा sales growth होगा, that will be in line, right?
Yeah. खाली इसमें very marginally high. समझो 2, 5, 10 marketing के आदमी बढ़ गए ऐसे. Not like something double नहीं होगा, profit double होगा तो ऐसे नहीं कि employee का double हो जाएगा. That will be very marginally which will increase. Yeah.
Okay. और सर हमारा geographical revenue breakup तो पूरा broadly diversified होगा in terms of north east region wise.
Yeah, pan India.
Okay. और सर हमारा कोई customer concentration है? If any large customers who contribute significant revenue, दो तो आपने नाम बताया, but if there are any other customers who contribute significant revenue?
Like TVZ is there, Neelkanth Jewelers is there, Lalita Jewelry.
So कुछ quantify कर सकते हो कि percentage concentration कितना रहता है usually?
वैसे we have not calculated yet. Obviously my team must be knowing it, but yeah. जैसे कला मंदिर है, भीमा है, TVZ है, so Sri Krishna Shetty Jewelers है. So we have good clients and continuously they've been buying every month from us.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question comes from the line of Agastya Dave from CAO Capital. Please go ahead.
Sir, thank you for the follow-up. Sir, again, going back to the margin. Sir, मुझे यही चीज आपसे समझनी थी. आपने पिछले पार्टिसिपेंट को भी यही आप बता रहे थे कि मार्जिन चेंज नहीं होंगे अगर गोल्ड प्राइसेस फ्लक्चुएट होंगे, बिकॉज वही आपका टर्म्स एंड एग्रीमेंट है आपके कस्टमर्स के साथ. तो ये किस लेवल पे सर, ये हम ये सिर्फ ग्रॉस लेवल पे देखें? ग्रॉस मतलब सिर्फ रॉ मटेरियल का कॉस्ट के बेस के ऊपर आपको 1% स्प्रेड मिल रहा है, या आप उसमें अपने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग चार्जेस और एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट और फिक्स ओवरहेड भी लगा रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर आपको एबिटा लेवल पे एक फिक्स मिल रहा है? ये एग्जैक्टली किस लेवल पे मिल रहा है सर?
जैसे गोल्ड के ऊपर भी 60%.
गोल्ड के ऊपर. सो ग्रॉस लेवल पे जो आपके मार्जिन है वो फिक्स्ड है अब?
हाँ जी.
राइट. एंड वो इंक्रीज हुए हैं बिकॉज आपने डिजाइनर ज्वेलरी ऐड की है. सो एक रीजन वो है, और दूसरा आप कह रहे हैं कि आगे डायमंड का शेयर जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगा तो वो और बढ़ेगा. इज दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग करेक्ट सर?
यस यस.
ओके सर. सो ये डायमंड का अभी कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन है सर? ये आप मेरे हिसाब से ना के बराबर है, राइट सर?
2% के आसपास.
2%. और सर ये आपकी कितनी कैपेसिटी है सर इसको कहाँ तक ले जाने के लिए नेक्स्ट लेट्स से 2 सालों में?
अराउंड 200-300 crore रुपीज सेल.
200-300 crore रुपीज सेल. ओके ओके.
In 2 years.
Okay.
अब ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, 500 crore भी हो सकता है, because this is something, we just got into the line, and but 2% is also good. In like a couple of months we have started this business, and people have showed interest in our line.
Right. Sir, now the expansion which is coming up, which is 5,000 square feet. तो जब IPO के टाइम में मेरा मोटा मोटी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हुआ था वो ये था कि आप काफी हद तक ऑटोमेटेड भी, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज्यादा मैनुअल इंटेंसिव प्रोसेस है आपकी. तो ये जो 5,000 स्क्वायर फीट आप ऐड कर रहे हैं, इसमें आपका एम्प्लॉय बेस आपको कितना बढ़ाना पड़ेगा? वो आपने हायरिंग और ट्रेनिंग ऑलरेडी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है सर, या वो अभी आप करेंगे जब आपका लाइक नेक्स्ट मंथ में फैसिलिटी आएगी?
ट्रेनिंग एंड हायरिंग हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डन.
सो पूरा हो गया सर. सो दिस 1.47 crores इज कैप्चरिंग दैट?
या थोड़ा बहुत बढ़ेगा. मीन्स या ऑलमोस्ट यू कैन सी के इट्स दैट. या इट्स ऑन वेरी मिनिमम बेसिस. सो मीन्स 1.47 का 1.5 1.6 हो सकता है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक 1.47 का 2 crores नहीं होगा. यू गॉट मी?
जी जी सर. उसके बाद आफ्टर दिस एक्सपेंशन कम्स ऑनलाइन विल बी 13,000 स्क्वायर फीट प्लस. सो द नेक्स्ट राउंड ऑफ एक्सपेंशन दैट यू वुड नीड, would you be able to do it in the same location, sir, or would you require a completely new place? This I believe is in New Bombay, right? The expansion.
Pardon me?
Yeah, आपका expansion. Sir, ये आपका expansion अंधेरी में नहीं है ना, या आपका expansion न्यू बॉम्बे में है, right?
अंधेरी.
अच्छा, ये भी अंधेरी में है. सर इसके बाद अगर आपको expansion करना रहेगा तो अंधेरी में जगह है आपके पास सर?
Yeah, we'll be taking it as जैसे हमारी requirement. If we are close, we'll take a place immediately.
Okay. And so one final question. बहुत सारी डिमांड से UAE के मार्केट से आ रही है फॉर इवन फॉर स्काई गोल्ड एंड फॉर लाइक सो मेनी अदर कंपनीज. तो आपने कहा कि आप दुबई में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. उसमें सर आपका मिडिल ईस्ट मार्केट में आपका सर कॉन्टैक्ट्स कैसे हैं अभी? क्या ये बहुत लॉन्ग ड्रॉन प्रोसेस रहेगी आपके लिए जो आप जस्ट अब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, या सर आपने ऑलरेडी कुछ काम करके रखा है उसमें उस मार्केट में एंटर करने के लिए?
We have good contacts over there. We've been doing it since years.
Okay. So how big, again, sir, it's a question which was asked, sir, but how big is this opportunity, sir? The Middle East market plus also the Southeast Asian market, sir. कितना बड़ा opportunity है आपके लिए?
It's a very big, it's a very big opportunity. जैसे we'll participate in the exhibition now, तो वहाँ से we'll get to know more, we'll get more ideas, and we'll get to know how the demand is there. And we are planning to open an office in Dubai. And Dubai में जो exhibition होगा worldwide से customers are going to come.
So when is it? December में this time?
November में.
Is that Dubai shopping के साथ, festival के साथ?
हाँ जी.
Okay, great, sir. Great, sir. Thank you very much, sir, and all the best. Sir, one last thing, sir. You gave a guidance when somebody asked you for a long-term vision, so 3-4 year vision. So you gave a number. You said 3,000-4,000 crores by which year, sir?
2030. 4,000 to 5,000 crores. 4,000 से 5,000 crore by 2030 we should reach. Yeah.
Right. And sir, after this current expansion to 2.5 tons, what would be your? Okay. I understand, sir. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. All the best, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Rajesh Singla from VTG Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello, Pankaj. Good afternoon, and thank you, and congratulations for a very good set of numbers. My question is on your diamond business. So as we are saying that we will be increasing share of diamond in our total sales mix in the coming years. and maybe reach around 40% by 2030. So can you please also share your view in terms of the margin differential which we get on the diamond jewelry versus the normal plain jewelry and versus designer jewelry? So for example, let's say Sky Gold or any other company is doing plain jewelry, their PAT margin might be 3 to 4%. Designer jewelry could be 4.5 to 5%. And when it comes to diamond jewelry, so what kind of margin increase we can see as the share of diamond increases?
Around 10 to 15%.
10 to 15% kind of margin we have in diamond jewelry. Right? So as the mix will increase, so we'll see a better margin on overall basis as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I will come back in the queue. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Krimesh Gala, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Hi, sir. Congratulations on the good set of numbers. Sir, I joined the call late, so there are few things that I wanted to ask. So what would be our current capacity in terms of ton per month of annual basis?
So it's 1.5 ton to 6 ton, and we have increased it to 2.5 ton approx.
2.5 ton, okay. And sir, by 2030, I heard that you said that you will be doing 4,000 to 5,000 of top line. So what would be a capacity by then?
Approximately around 6 to 7 tons.
This would be annually, right, sir?
Yeah, we're talking about annually. Yeah.
Okay. And okay, that's it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Chandresh Malpani from Nivishay. Please go ahead.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, so thank you for the opportunity. So just one question. You mentioned about volume growth H1 basis year on year, but what would be the volume growth when we compare H1 FY26 to H2 FY25?
That we don't know. We'll have to check with my people.
Okay. That was it. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Naveen Soni, an individual investor. Please go ahead. Mr. Naveen, please unmute your line and go ahead. Since there is no reply from the line of Mr. Naveen, we'll promote the next. The next question comes from the line of Kushal from Inved Research. Please go ahead.
कृपया लाइन पर बने रहिए. The person you are speaking with has put your call on hold. Please stay on the line.
As there are no response from Mr. Kushal, we will proceed ahead with the next question. The next question comes from the line of Viral Shah, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My question is related to due to the gold hike, the price hike and everything.
Mr. Viral,
yes?
Please hold on. As the line for the management has been disconnected, just give them a minute.
No problem.
Mr. Pankaj, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You just got disconnected.
Yeah.
Give me a minute. Mr. Shah, you can proceed ahead with your question.
Yes. Hi, good afternoon again. My question is related to due to the gold hike, the price hike that has happened. What has been the change in our volume versus value, as in the growth that we have seen in the quarterly results? What has been the proportion of the volume and the value-wise increase?
See, volume-wise, we have 25% volume has increased.
Yes.
And growth-wise, I think around 35% is increase, value-wise.
Okay. Okay. And so do you see this hike overflowing into the next quarter as well because of the as in the gold price that you might have considered for the upcoming orders? Would that impact the next quarter in terms of volumes?
No, it's not going to impact the volume. Volume is going to go high because the demand is more, so you increase the capacity also seeing the demand.
Okay, that's great news for the company then.
Okay.
Great. That's it. Thank you so much for the question.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Vipin from TCC. Please go ahead. Mr. Vipin, please unmute your line and go ahead. Mr. Vipin? Since there is no reply from Mr. Vipin, we will promote the next.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Vipin, kindly rejoin. The next question comes from the line of Vishal from Nishkama. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the follow-on question. So working on the cash flow side, with the increase in our revenue, our trade receivables have increased significantly. This way, our receivable days have increased anywhere between 70, 80 days. So how do you see this going on? मतलब हम लोग का जो आगे projection है, it is very aggressive. We are trying to increase our top line by 70-80% every year. तो इससे हमारा working capital में कैसा impact रहेगा?
See, receivable or ये it means we have got now 70-80 odd customers new. तो उसके हिसाब से we've given them the leverage, and that is why our cash flow is going a little above the time, which is again going to become normal after 3-4 months.
Okay. Okay. So अभी हमारा जो short term borrowings है, that has been at around 100 crores, right? 125 crores.
हाँ जी.
So what is the interest cost we have on this? मतलब what is the interest rate? Broadly interest cost तो दिख रहा है 5.4 crores है.
8.5%.
Okay, 8.5% पे हमारा short term rate है. And do you see this going ahead? ये short term borrowings थोड़े और elevate होंगे because we need more cash.
Yeah, it's going to, we are going to borrow more from the bank. Yeah, around 50 crore rupees we are planning to borrow.
Okay. तो हमारा कुछ debt to equity का कुछ limit guidelines कुछ set है कि हम इस तरह का leverage नहीं लेंगे या फिर as of now we have not planned.
आ रहे हो?
Hello.
तो जैसे हमारे को ग्रोथ दिखेगा वैसे वैसे भी आप borrowing is going to increase.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. And sir, just another thing, we have this group companies, Shanti Gold. So that उसमें specifically क्या business है?
उसमें they manufacture different kind of jewelry, and we have a non-compete agreement.
Okay. That has been run by you only or वहाँ पे management different है?
Yeah. Utssav, the management is different, and here also the management is different.
Okay. दोनों में management different है.
Different, completely different, yeah.
But उसमें भी वो लोग का business तो similar line है, right? We have non-compete agreement, but we have similar kind of business in gold jewelry.
Not similar kind of line, it's a different line. Product line is different.
Okay. वो लोग क्या manufacture करते हैं?
वो भी bridal jewelry देते हैं.
Okay. Great. And sir, going ahead, do you see the cash flow एक time पे stabilize होके मतलब second एक inventory receivable side we are clear, inventory side जो भी हमारी inventories है, we are calculating on mark to market value, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी is it fair to understand कि जो अभी हमारा last 6 months में inventory increase हुआ है, that is because of gold price, not we have, but हमारा accumulated gold इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा in terms of volume.
थोड़ा बड़ा है.
अच्छा, थोड़ा गोल्ड बड़ा. Okay. एंड हम लोग सर बेसिकली जैसे आपने बताया था कि हम लोग 100% नेचुरली हेज रहते हैं. सो लेट्स से राइट नाउ इफ वी परचेज द गोल्ड एंड लेट्स से गोइंग अहेड इफ द प्राइस ड्रॉप्स, तो फॉर अ क्वार्टर मतलब definitely gold prices on a longer note won't be falling that much, but let's say if the gold prices fall by 15-20% at least for 6 months to let's say a year, so does that impact our margins in the very short term trade? And क्योंकि हमारे पास जो गोल्ड इन्वेंट्री जो हमने आज बाई की है that is let's say at a higher price और फिर थोड़ा करेक्शन होगा तो थोड़ा मार्जिन में इम्पैक्ट आता है उन सबसे?
Very big, very minor.
Very minor. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Prabal Jain from SM Holding. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Hi again. Sir, actually, I was looking, you also have a similar, similar line of business company, continuing with the last participant question, Shanti Gold listed. And some of the products are definitely similar and they are common promoters. तो सर मतलब आपने बताया जैसे नॉन कम्प्लीट क्लॉज तो खैर है, तो आप सेग्रीगेशन कैसे कर रहे हैं? लाइक डिजाइन के लेवल पे सेग्रीगेशन है कि उत्सव की डिजाइन शांति के पास नहीं जाती या वाइस वर्सा, या फिर आप क्लाइंटेल के लेवल पे तो शायद आप नहीं कर रहे होंगे?
मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो सेपरेट. वहाँ का सीईओ इज अ डिफरेंट सीईओ, मिस्टर हरप्रीत गुलेरिया, एंड या सो वहाँ पे डिजाइनिंग इज कंप्लीट सेपरेट, यहाँ पे कंप्लीट सेपरेट है, एंड बोथ रन ऑन अ डिफरेंट मैनेजमेंट दोनों में एक भी लोग इन्वॉल्व नहीं है.
अच्छा, ठीक है सर. ओके, नोटेड.
या
Mr. Prabal, are you there?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Vipin from TCC. Please go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible, sir. Mr. Vipin, you are audible. Mr. Vipin, please unmute your lines and go ahead. Since there is no reply
Hello.
from... Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Can
We
you
can
hear
hear
me?
you. Yes, we can.
Yeah. Sir, my question is this: for manufacturing the ornaments, how you are sourcing the gold? Is it locally or imported from Dubai or somewhere?
We source the gold from either from the bullion dealer or from the bank.
Yeah, you are buying from the dealers or from the bank.
Locally.
Locally. And sir, do you get any credit period on this buying?
No, it's no credit period on bullion.
We have to make payment on cash basis, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And sir, for your customers, how much credit period you are giving? What is the credit period you are giving to your customers, or how much time required to release the payments?
30 to 45 days.
30 to 45 days, okay. And sir, the diamond business you are going to start means you will buy the stones from the merchants and you will fix with our ornaments. This is what is the diamond business you are going to do, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And okay, sir, these are my doubts. Anyway, thank you so much and all the very best.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question comes from the line of Rajesh Singla from VTG Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Hello, Pankaj again. Rajesh here. So basically, if I do the math on the numbers, so probably we might do around 60 crore kind of PAT this year. And we are raising 50 crore from the bank as well. So around 100 crore of additional capital probably we will receive, or maybe if we talk about the second half only, so around 80 crore of additional working capital we will have with us. So how many times like we can rotate it in a year, like 5, 6 times, like 7 times? How many times we can rotate?
4.5 times.
4.5 times. So which means like around we can expect around 500 crore kind of additional revenue coming from this funding, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And debt equity also looks to be quite stable at around 1 time. So what is our comfort zone on debt equity ratio? Can we go beyond 1 times or 1.5? Because I think industry has around 1.5 times.
1.5 to 2 times we can go.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Concall. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Raghunath Gupta, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. Congratulations on good set of numbers. I have a couple of queries. Just wanted to understand actually how are you able to contain employee expenses, which appears to be very low at about 1.47 crores for a total strength of 130 employees. Is this going to continue at this level, or are we going to see any elevation on this?
It can increase from 1.47 to 1.6 crores.
Okay. And one of the point actually credit rating agency has mentioned is that you don't hedge your inventory. So what exactly is company stand on hedging of inventory?
Day-to-day business, we hedge the gold, means whatever price we sell it, we immediately buy it on the same price. So there we don't, only on the stock, what we own our stock, that we keep it unhedged.
Okay. My last question actually, are you availing any gold loan?
No.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's it from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question comes from the line of Vipin from TCC. Please go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, my question is you are doing your work, you are outsourcing your manufacturing work for this design job and everything?
No. Everything is in-house.
Outsourcing?
Everything is in-house.
Everything is in-house, and your people are doing the work. Okay, fine, thank you. And the other thing, sir, you have any plan for going to retail sector, opening shops?
At present, we have not thought about any retail
segment.
At present, we have not thought about the retail sector.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question comes from the line of Prabal Jain from SM Holding. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, मैं समझना चाहता था कि आपका जैसे सर अभी अब H1 हो गया है, तो आपके जो बिजनेस में टिपिकली जो आपके क्लाइंट्स प्रोक्योर करते हैं, जो आपकी ज्वेलरीज होती है, इनका टिपिकली ऑर्डर साइकिल ये स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द क्वार्टर में ऑर्डर लगाते हैं आपसे, या फिर कैसे चलता है? पूरे साल भर के ऑर्डर एक साथ प्लेस होते हैं और फिर धीरे धीरे ऑफ टेक होता है, कैसे होता है ये?
As and when they require the jewelry, they give the order.
तो मतलब जैसे मान लीजिए अभी Q3 चल रहा है, तो मतलब ये इसके ऑर्डर उनको अगर लग रहा है कि उनको जरूरत है इन्वेंट्री की, उनको चाहिए, तो वो लोग अभी प्लेस करेंगे. तो आप डिलीवर यूजुअली ऑर्डर आने के बाद कितने टाइम में डिलीवर करते हैं आप, फुलफिलमेंट टाइम?
Around 7 to 10 days.
अराउंड 7. तो नहीं, द रीजन आई एम आस्किंग दिस इज बिकॉज आपने आपकी इंट्रोडक्टरी रिमार्क में बोला है कि आप 1100 करोड़ टाइप कर देंगे. H1 में आपने करीब 480 कर दिया है, तो H2 में आप जो भी 500-600 करेंगे, तो आपके पास कहीं ना कहीं वो कंफर्म्ड ऑर्डर्स होंगे अभी.
ये अभी फेस्टिव सीजन है ना, अभी शादी की सीजन है, सो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिमांड ऑल एवरी टाइम इन अ सेकंड हाफ.
अच्छा, तो मतलब अभी आपके पास कंफर्म्ड ऑर्डर्स नहीं है, बट यू आर एंटिसिपेटिंग ड्यू टू फेस्टिव सीजन अपकमिंग दैट यू विल गेट दिस.
नहीं, वो हर साल उतना हो ही जाता है, मींस डबल, मींस इट इज ऑलवेज हायर ऑन द सेकंड हाफ ऑफ द ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ मैरिज.
मार्जिन पे जो भी चेंज होगा वो तो खैर इमटेरियल होगा, वो इनटू गोल्ड डाउन साइकिल. इज दैट व्हाट यू सेड, राइट?
हाँ जी.
ओके सर, वेरी गुड, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू प्रभु जी.
Thank you. As there are no further questions, I would now like to hand the conference over to Harshil Ghanshyani for closing comments.
Yes, thank you. Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Utssav-CZ-Gold-Jewels Limited. If you have any queries, you can write us at research@kiranadvisors.com. Once again, thank you everyone for joining the conference.
On behalf
Thank
of
you.
Kiran Advisors Private Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.
Thank you, everyone.